pahinga na
Okay,
konti.
so let's buy here. Part 2! Part 2 of the field trip. And I'm the stop! Okay, right now, that's the maze over there. It's hard to call. There's some doors. Right, guys? Yeah! I'm a vlogger there. Mamanega. And I'm a hardcore stunt performer. Yeah. He's just like.
Mag-lunch muna bago swimming.
No, it's okay. See you guys later. I'm a stunt performer.
10 boys and boys.
Hi guys, I'm back.
Mamaya papasok. Palain muna kami. Magpapaliwanag pa.
Oh wait.
May mga zombie, kuya.
Kahit do Perez, pwede na sumama.
Guys, I'm back.
Guys, mahirap tong...
Kahit kasama na po ang Perez.
Mag-English ka?
Kasama na.
I'm so sorry, guys. This is so very
hard because it's a freaking maze with doors.
Dito tayo.
It's so hard.
Alright, 140 yan. 140.
That was cool. This is gonna be fun. Okay, now here we go in the maze. Ito na ang maze. This is the maze, guys. We're going in. Oh na.
Ito?
Yes.
So,
See?
we are... Hi! We are in the maze!
Not yet.
Muna papasok ha.
Here we go.
Stop! Plants.
This is gonna be so hardcore, guys.
Hi! What you doing?
What you doing?
Hindi yung bubuo. Yung bag yan, bag. Ladybug.
Ladybug yan. Lady? We're in maze.
Guys, we're almost in there. And I'm gonna
stunt performer.
shut up. Okay, as well as continuing, here we go. We're gonna go in there now.
Zombies in the maze.
And this is my friend Alheya.
Zombies! Stop! Stop!
Okay.
We almost go there.
Yeah. Please stop, you guys. Stop.
I need the armor.
Okay, guys, let's take as a team.
Hi, BJ. You're BJ, vlogger. Ryan, can you memorize the way? Ano ba, Hazel?
Ano ba kasi pinapush siya?
Tinuto lang ako dyan, di po ako.
Oh no!
Ano na ito?
What? Here we go! Okay, here we go! We're running! Oh, I'm dead! See?
Guys, hindi to battle.
Wrong way. Wala.
Wrong way! Okay? We're gonna be stuck!
No, we're not going today. We find a way!
Oy, baliktad! Balik! We're gonna go down! Meron!
Run out of oxygen. Somebody concern oxygen.
Okay! Say hi, everybody!
Hi! We went this. We already went here.
Okay, there's nothing! We won't never give up! As long as...
We went this way already.
Oh, dyan. Diretso, doon.
Okay, let's go there. Let's go! Go!
Tama to.
Quiet na! We found it. Here, see?
We're doing it then, brothers.
We're gonna free!
Kill the zombie.
What? since this is the last battle, we're gonna eat our lunch. Okay, after lunch, we're gonna swim. Batis Aramid Resort! Woo!
Wait lang, may gagawin ako dyan. Wag kasi. Hindi, ito yun oh. Ito gawin mo lagi.
Wag kasi!
Ikaw kasi, ang kulit-kulit mo.
Sorry guys for that. Somebody has to touch my phone. Yeah! Che! Che! Sorry! Okay, here we go. We're walking towards the camp. We're gonna eat now. Okay, I'll be right back when I get to swim. Okay guys, here we go. Going back to the camp. As you can see, whatever it takes, we're never gonna lose! Yeah, dude! Stop that. Yeah, dude! I said stop. No, 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 no! Goodbye! Ha 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 ha! Ryan, very funny. Okay, now we're gonna eat lunch, as what I said.
Joshua.
Jacob! Jacob, ang galing ko, Jacob, sabihin.
Huwag kayo na. Kami nga ni Jillian nakapa. Kami tatlo ni...
Sorry, guys.
Ako, si Jennifer, tsaka si Jillian naghanap ng way, di ba?
Okay, here we go, going back to the camp.
What can
Camp. Okay.
Now we're going back to the... we're going to lunch. We're having lunch now on Batis Aramin
We're
Resort.
gonna have
Oh yeah, we're gonna have lunch
in Batis Aramin
because we're so
Resort.
exhausted from the maze challenge. Hardcore maze challenge.
And the tanker.
Yeah, the tanker was good as well.
And the
I'm
zipline.
show you the dead fish in the pool. Actually, it's just an imagination.
The zipline is super cool.
Yeah, that was radical, hardcore, awesome stunt. Professionals, daredevil, lifestyle.
Hello. I go to school in Catholic.
We're from a Catholic school.
Yeah.
We're going to have lunch.
Oh, guys, there's the swimming pool.
Check out the swimming pool, bro.
See? That's
Oh.
6 feet.
Look out for the cops.
Uh-huh.
It's like GTA 5 here.
Booyah!
Here's my jacket. I won it from the maze challenge.
No, we didn't.
No, I did. I did.
It has your name written on it.
What? I win this jacket.
No, you didn't.
I win
People,
this
Hazel.
jacket.
Okay, we're here.
People here
We're gonna eat.
crazy.
Stop.
Also on our challenge, the boys won all the time. Join the brotherhood of the...
No, don't. Girls and boys won at the same time.
Oh yeah. We won at the same time.